Hello. In this video, we are going to construct a Venn diagram using Matplotlib. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we'll search for Venn diagram using Matplotlib. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result as it matches our query. Now this use case requires matplot library to function, so before proceeding, make sure that you have this library, if not get it from kandi. Let's get back to our code now. Copy the code in a single click from here, go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code now. Now counter from collections is imported to count the elements in the sets. Matplotlib.pyplot is imported as PLT to create the plot, and Venn2 from matplotlib_Venn is imported to draw Venn diagrams. Let's run the code now. And you have created Venn diagrams using Matplotlib.